Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to fix pending download on Google Play Store on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, if you are trying to download a new app or update an existing one, a pending download issue prevents you from accessing it immediately. So, fixing this issue allows you to use the app or benefit from the latest features and improvement without delay. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you need to open the Google Play Store app on your device. Once you are there, attempt to install the application. And if you encounter an issue during the installation process, tap on the profile icon located in the one corner of the screen. So, from there, select the Settings option. And in the Settings menu, find out the Network Preferences and tap on it. So within this section, locate and tap on App Download Preference. Finally, you can choose the first option available. This adjustment may help resolve any issues you are experiencing with installing applications from the Google Play Store. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to fix pending download on Google Play Store on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.